In this video, we're going to do a deep dive review of Syllabi.io, which is a AI-powered content generator. So stick around. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and content creation in general. If those are the type of things that you're into, consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss when I put out a new video. Now, I've been a content creator for the past 5 years, and something that I consistently struggled with was coming up with fresh ideas for my content. All right, I enjoy making the content. I enjoy making videos like this. I enjoy making short form on platforms like TikTok and Facebook Reels, but it's hard to stay inspired when you're posting once a day. Okay, that's 365 unique ideas a year. If you're posting twice a day, that's over 720 ideas a year. That's hard to do. Now, with the help of something like Syllabi, it's going to take the content ideation load off of my shoulders and kind of offload it to AI, and then I can always stay inspired and come up with fresh content. So let's hop right into Syllabi and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so we just get logged in here into Syllabi, and this is actually what you're greeted with as a dashboard when you first come in. I think it's a very clean, simple looking user interface. They actually do offer a free trial. If you go through this video, you want to pick up a trial for yourself, there's actually a link in the description, and they keep things very, very simple, which is I like. So you're going to start off here. If you're a content creator and you're targeting a specific audience and you're offering a service, you're basically just going to put kind of what you are, what you're offering, and then who your audience is in the most simplest of terms. So there's no need to get super, super granular. So let's go into here. Let's say we're a fitness coach and we're offering weight loss. Okay, weight loss is kind of the service, the result that we're offering. We want to target moms as our weight loss. Okay, just a general example that I think will fit a lot of people on the internet. And then what it's going to do here is actually going to pull up all of the questions that are being asked inside that niche who are actually being targeted. Again, this is targeted by AI. The search volume here is from Google. If you're running any kind of PPC ads along with this, it'll tell you what the cost per click, what you can expect to pay for a click to that particular search result. Now, the next column for me is very interesting, the competition column. Now, Syllabi's creator, Austin, he comes from an SEO background, so he's very big on creating content that's going to get found in search, something that's going to get a lot of organic reach. So what he's done here is they've actually weighted, there's a proprietary algorithm here with competition, but basically the closer it is to 0 is the lower competition. So for instance, what's the strongest weight loss prescription pill? 1, that's a fairly competitive keyword. You're probably not going to get a whole lot of organic search visibility if you create content on that particular keyword. But does metformin cause weight loss? That right there is a 0.01. That's probably going to get seen, and it's getting searched 8,000 times a month. This is a really, really good keyword to go for. The next one here, number of results, you'll actually see this is actually the number of organic search results when something here is searched. The lower the number, the less content there is on that particular topic, so you have a higher chance of getting to number 1. As you can see, only 98 pieces of content for the top search. Now, this is not the type of tool where you're going to pick one particular question to answer and you're going to move on and create one piece of content. So Syllabi is meant to be something where you can schedule out a week or a month's worth of content. So you only have to go into the tool every couple of weeks to kind of refill the tank, so to speak. So what we're going to do here is we're going to schedule, let's say, the metformin cause weight loss. We're going to add that to the calendar. And what we're going to do here is we're going to pick a date on the calendar. Let's just say it's going to go tomorrow. We'll hit apply, save that to the calendar. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to create a piece of content on this tomorrow. We're going to plan out. We're into the next screen where now you're actually going to create the content itself. So the title here, again, does metformin cause weight loss? That's going to pull right from the keyword. If you want to title it differently, add something to it. A definitive guide or something like that. If you want to add to that, make sure if you're going to go for the organic search, you want to make sure that you keep the keyword that you pulled from the search results in the title, work it in somehow. Now, this is where Syllabi really starts to shine. This is where the power of AI is going to take over. So we're going to have the content style here. It's an explainer, a tutorial, a product demo, a testimonial, or social media video. So let's say explainer video, probably going to go on the top of a blog, something like that. Tutorial, probably going to go onto YouTube. We're going to make social media videos. We're going to make short form videos for this, like let's say for TikTok or something like that. Upbeat, professional, or funny. Let's go with funny. Let's see what happens. Actually, you know what? Let's go upbeat. And then over here for language, if English is not your native language, you want to do this in other markets. Austin's actually built in a couple other languages here that you can serve other markets as well. But we're going to leave English here. Now, what you can do here is you can outline the post yourself. Okay, if you are in this space and you understand, you know whether metformin causes weight loss or not, I'm making this video, I have no idea. Okay. If you're in the space and you understand, you know the answer to that question, you can outline the post yourself. Okay. You can talk about, what is metformin? Okay. How does it cause weight loss? And you can go through there. If you're not sure, if you're unsure of the topic or you're feeling very uninspired, you can use AI over here, hit AI outline. And what this will do is this will actually create an outline for you using AI. And what this will do, it'll bring you your introduction, a brief overview of what metformin and its common uses, discussions of the importance of weight loss and diabetes management, theoretical mechanisms. And it's gonna basically pull all of the points that you're gonna want to talk about. Now, you're free to just use that outline and then create a video. But again, if you're feeling uninspired or you want some more guidance, you want some more AI guidance here, you can come down here and you can either generate a video script or you can generate an article. Either way, if you're going to generate an article, you can AI write, and it's going to come up with a blog article. Does metformin cause weight loss? But what we're going to do here is we're going to generate a video script. Remember, we're making a TikTok here. So we're going to make a 30-second video. You can do up to a 5-minute YouTube video, but we're going to go into here, 30 seconds. And we're going to hit AI write. What this is going to do now is this is going to give you a video script to go on for TikTok. And then here it is. Metformin is more than just a diabetes medication. It can also aid in weight loss. How does it work? By controlling the amount of sugar produced in the liver and regulating insulin levels. That's a little clinical for me for TikTok. So what we might want to do is we want to change the content tone to funny. We'll leave this and then we'll AI write. We'll do this again. And then here it is. Here's something that's a little bit completely different, but will convey the same information. Hey there, today we're talking about metformin and weight loss. Metformin is typically used to control blood sugar levels in diabetes patients, but did you know it can also help with weight loss? It works by reducing glucose production in the liver and increasing insulin sensitivity. However, clinical studies show mixed results, and factors like dosage and individual characteristics can impact its effectiveness. Still, worth exploring as part of a weight loss plan. Thanks for tuning in. So that's a good starting point for a particular post. And again, if you have expertise in the topic, you can add to it. You can inject your own personality. But this is going to be a lot better than, let's say, staring at a blank screen going, what am I going to create content on today? And for you eagle-eyed viewers that have been watching this video, you've been watching the credits down here. They've actually been ticking down each time. So each time that you create a post, it's going to deduct credits, AI credits from your tank each month. So on the basic plan, it's 98,000 credits a month. Through now, I think I started with 97. So I'll have to go back and check the tape, see what I actually started with. But what this is going to do, the longer the post, the longer the piece of content that you're actually going to be creating, it's going to drop more and more credits out of that tank. Now, I've personally been using Syllabi.io for about 2 months now, and while I like it as a good starting point, okay, this is going to keep you inspired. It's going to give you a good script to start from, something where, again, you can tweak, inject your own personality into the script that it spits out. It's not going to give you done-for-you scripts every single time. If you go into Syllabi with the expectation that you're going to hit 2 buttons and you're going to get viral content that just keeps going viral every single time, it's not going to perform. Okay, that's not what this tool is really meant to do. What this tool is meant to give you a list of prompts where you can actually inject your own expertise, you can inject your own personality, and you can create content based on the prompts that it gives. Now, as far as competitors, I don't know at this point when I'm making this video, I don't think that Syllabi.io really does have any direct competitors. Yes, there are AI text generators and AI script generators like ChatGPT, you've got Copy AI, you've got Jasper, you've got Jarvis. I don't know what they're going by right now. You've got those AI text generators, but they don't have that SEO layer to them. They are basically just like you give them a prompt, it'll give you a script, versus this will say, what's the service? What's the audience? And it will give you search-based results that you can actually create content that's probably going to rank. So yes, it is an AI text generator, but it does, again, it has that SEO layer. So you're going to create content that's going to get found for a long time versus just go off into the social media algorithm, never to be seen again. Now, as far as pricing for Syllabi, they've actually just got 2 tiers. They've got the free 7-day trial, which you can start on. Again, link down below. But where you can choose the entire software, all of its features for 7 days, or you can commit and go right to the $49 per month plan, where it is, again, it's going to give you all the features, but you're also not going to be capped by limits. You can create the full-length blog articles. You can create the full-length videos. Everything there is going to be unlocked. On the trial, you are limited to a couple thousand words on the 7 days. So final thoughts on Syllabi. I do enjoy using the software. It's great for someone who has a hard time keeping inspired, keeping up with prompts. It's always going to keep you on track creating relevant content, but the only thing is don't expect it to be a complete 2-click done for you. I can just read the screen type solution. It's not for that. It is meant to, again, give you a framework to start with. But again, I encourage you to check it out yourself. Again, link in the description for a 7-day free trial. And if you enjoy this video, I'm going to be doing a lot more software reviews, so consider subscribing to the channel, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss a video when it comes out, and I'll see you in another video.